Most PDFs on the web are inaccessible, making it so people using assistive technologies can't navigate or read them. In this video, we'll start with what PDFs need to be accessible. Then we'll manually test an inaccessible PDF to see how it affects assistive technology users. We'll end with why we prefer HTML web pages to PDFs. Like HTML web pages, PDFs need alternative text, correct heading use, the right color contrast, and other accessibility design techniques. But PDFs also need to be tagged and have their reading order checked. Tagging tells screen readers what content is headings, paragraph text, images, and links. And the reading order makes sure the content is read in, you guessed it, the right order. Most PDFs don't have the right tagging or reading order, which means they are unreadable to someone using assistive technology like a screen reader. Let's take a look at how inaccessible PDFs would affect someone using a screen reader. I'm going to use Mac's VoiceOver Screen Reader, and the PDF is opened in Adobe Acrobat. Where the PDF is viewed and the screen reader settings can affect the experience. If you want to try testing your PDFs, check out the links for Mac's VoiceOver Screen Reader and Windows NVDA Screen Reader below. Both are free. Okay, let's get to this example. This PDF was saved using Print and then Save as PDF. When saving a PDF this way, it can make it so the PDF is one giant image. The screen reader won't be able to read it at all. Let's hear what this sounds like.
Window. Alert. Document unavailable. Pane. You are currently on a pane. Alert. Document unavailable. Pane. Content is empty.
Since that PDF was saved using Print and then Save as PDF, it saved the text as an image, so it is unreadable to assistive technology. Now let's hear a PDF that has readable text but hasn't been tagged and the reading order wasn't checked.
California. Beaches. When you think of California, one of the first things that comes to mind is its beaches. Ride the wave and learn more about what beaches are the most popular and how their temperatures vary. You are currently on its most popular beaches temperatures.
You'll notice the screen reader doesn't announce the type of element like headings or graphics, which takes away the structure. I'm going to play the screen reader again. Take a look at what happens when the same PDF gets to the columns.
According to U.S. News, the top three in the table below, the June 2021 California beaches are temperatures compared for each of the 1, 2.
Because the PDF's reading order is wrong, the screen reader reads the columns from left to right instead of going column by column. Now the PDF is tagged and has the reading order corrected. Tagging the PDF and correcting the reading order can be a tedious process the more complex your documents get. Okay, let's hear the difference.
Heading Level 1, California beaches. When you think of California, one of the first things that comes to mind is its beaches. Ride the wave and learn more about what beaches are the most popular and how their temperatures vary. Heading Level 2, most popular beaches. According to U.S. News, the top three California beaches are 1. Laguna Beach, 2. La Jolla, 3. Malibu Beach. Graphic. Heading Level 2, temperature.
Now, the screen reader announces key structural elements like headings, graphics with their alternative text, and it's reading the columns correctly. As you could tell, even pretty simple PDFs quickly become inaccessible without tagging and the right reading order. So we suggest HTML web pages instead of PDFs whenever possible. Here's why. First, like we've said, PDFs take extra work to make accessible. Second, it can be expensive to remediate complex PDFs. And third, PDFs can be hard for any user to read on mobile. If you've opened a PDF on a mobile device, you are probably familiar with the pinching to zoom and finger scrolling needed to read and navigate PDFs on mobile. Remember, if a PDF is needed, it needs to be properly tagged and have the right reading order on top of all the other accessibility design techniques. Otherwise, we suggest sticking to HTML web pages.